how to create a share album in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Gallery app. Next in here, I'll go back to my Gallery homepage. And then tap on the Albums tab at the bottom. Next, tap on the Add button at the top corner. Then from the pop-up menu, select Share Album. So in here, you can create albums you can share. Now give it a name. And then tap on Create. And here it said, choose contacts or add Samsung accounts. Only the people you invite can join. Share link, anyone with a link and a Galaxy device can join. So tap on Share link or choose contact. I will select Share link. And so here the people you invite will be able to see your name and profile picture. So tap on OK. And that's it. So now an album has been created. So here is the link. So you can tap on the copy button to copy the link to the clipboard. So it is now copied to the clipboard. And here you got share ID jungles. In here we can tap on the add button to add in pictures. So we can add in some pictures to the album and then tap on done. Then tap on add. So it's add one cloud items to share album. So tap on add. Okay, so maybe it needs to upload before it will shows. So here it shows share IT jungles album. And if I tap on that, it's showing me that I can select the photos, I can delete, I can sort, and I can set the album settings. So here, let anyone with a link view the album. So I can turn it on, switch it off. So I can turn this on, and anyone with this link will be able to view my share albums. In here, I can rename it. I can change the cover image of the share albums. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.